Let's make these flavorful and crispy chicken spring rolls. Start with 300 grams of chicken thighs, cut into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix it and bring it to boil. Cover and cook on low heat. Boil it for 15 to 25 minutes until chicken is tender and water is evaporated. Cook on medium-high heat so the remaining liquid will evaporate. Transfer it to plate. When it comes to room temperature, shred it into small pieces. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Sauté on medium-high heat until it changes its color. Now add 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 1/2 cup of chopped green peppers. Sauté on medium-high heat. Add shredded chicken and sauté. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix it and sauté. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of SMG or chicken powder. Keep stirring and mix on medium-high heat. We need to prevent our vegetables to become soggy. Finally, add 1/2 cup of green onions. Keep mixing on medium-high heat. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. To make the rolls, we will need slurry. Add 1/4 cup of flour to the bowl. Add enough water to make a thick paste. Take spring roll sheet and add around 2 tablespoons of filling. Fold the sheet vertically on each side. Then rolls it. Apply the slurry to the end. Fill all the sheets the same way. These chicken spring rolls are kids' favorite. You can make a big batch and freeze it. These rolls are always ready to serve. Fry on medium heat. Keep flipping the rolls during frying. When it becomes light golden, take it out. Crispy and crunchy spring rolls are ready. Enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.